Hello everyone! Today, we're diving into 1 in a billion moments in nature. Rare, unbelievable, and completely real. Let's get started. Tsunamis are one of the most terrifying destructive forces on the planet. These massive walls of water carry such tremendous energy that virtually every man-made structure becomes fragile before them. When geological layers beneath the ocean floor suddenly fracture, the entire seabed can rise or drop in just seconds. That violent shift is what propels billions of tons of water forward, creating tsunamis of devastating power. These colossal waves are crushing everything in their path, reminding us just how small we are in the face of nature. Massive waves are flooding straight onto the coastal road, and this is exactly why authorities always warn against driving near the shore during major storms. Off the coast of Brazil, the sky just delivered a terrifying reminder that nature doesn't need much time to become extremely dangerous. How much do you think insurance would cost for this kind of damage? $5 million or $10 million? In the middle of this blinding blizzard, humans suddenly seem frighteningly small, as if Mother Nature only needs one gust of wind to knock everything down. Walls of water as tall as a 5-story building were dancing over Majorca, as if Poseidon himself decided to remind humanity that he still rules the Mediterranean. A massive pitch-black storm cloud rolled into the city, bringing torrential rain, thunder, and the threat of widespread flooding. But what surprised everyone the most was the hail that suddenly started falling without any warning. If you ever see a massive dark cloud formation like this, leave the area immediately. Depending on the geographic location, this could be an early warning sign of a disaster.
Richa, mira, deberían de prohibir el paso, porque mira, ¡wow!
If you were in this situation, how would you react? This phenomenon is most commonly seen in Norway, Iceland, Alaska, and Canada, where the sky turns science into a magical light show. Nature sends its greetings through me to you. Where are you? As for me, I'm from Los Angeles. Sometimes Mother Nature doesn't need storms to make humans feel small. A sight like this alone is enough to make the entire world look up. Lenticular clouds like these often make people think of UFOs, thanks to their nearly perfect shape and remarkably stable structure. What do you think this is? Leave a comment and let us know. Were you just looking up at the sky wondering if this was an alien invasion of Earth? In 2018, the California sky sent thousands of people into a panic thinking UFOs had appeared, but it was actually the exhaust trail from a SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket. Watch how excited she gets at this rare moment, as if Mother Nature herself just gave her a special personal welcome. Deep beneath the blue waters, one of the most spectacular migrations on the planet is underway. Millions of sardines merge into a massive silver river, moving in perfect sync as if the entire school shares a single heartbeat. Sardines have an incredibly strong herd instinct. Just one small movement from a few individuals can redirect the entire massive formation in the blink of an eye. When dolphins, sharks, and seabirds dive in to attack, the school instantly tightens formation, spiraling into bait balls that confuse the predators. Nature isn't an amusement park, and unexpected encounters with large animals are always a reminder that safe distances exist for a reason.
Hey, 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 lieve snake! Lieve snake! Hey, hey! Lieve snake! Okay, lieve snake.
Every fall in Colorado, elk enter the rutting season, a time when bulls become extremely aggressive and ready to charge at any perceived threat. It looks like a choreographed action movie scene, but this is actually the moment when the survival instincts of both humans and animals explode at the same time. Tornadoes form when opposing air masses collide, and this moment in Peter Maritzburg shows that nature doesn't need much time to unleash its fury. In Tuzla, near Istanbul, this tornado proves that twisters don't only occur in America, they can form anywhere the weather becomes extremely unstable. Skiing is an extreme sport. Always wear proper safety gear and only go under the strict supervision of experts.
There. Oh, he's peeing back up, Joe. Oh my God!
It looks like a friendly greeting, but this is actually a hippo, sending a very clear message about its territory. This hard-working farmer is definitely going to sleep like a baby tonight. This parrot sends its greetings to everyone around the world. Drop a comment and let me know where you're from. At over 13,000 feet, where a single misstep means death, these mountain goats navigate narrow rock ledges as if gravity doesn't exist. Why do they climb to such unimaginable heights? The answer is simple: to survive. Nature doesn't create reckless creatures. It creates masters of survival. Oh no, it looks like a giant funnel connecting the sky straight to the ground, but this is one of the most extreme weather phenomena on the planet. In Springfield, Missouri, this hailstorm shows that extreme weather doesn't just cause flooding. It can also destroy hundreds of vehicles in a matter of minutes. When a major storm combines with high tide, the storm surge phenomenon can push seawater deep inland with destructive power, far beyond ordinary waves. From inside the wheelhouse, every incoming wave makes the ocean look like a colossal monster, testing the limits of human endurance. If you were at the helm, would you dare plunge into Mother Nature's endless world of chaos? Earthquakes occur when tectonic plates suddenly shift, releasing enough energy to shake entire buildings and everything inside them. On Bantayan Island, Cebu, Philippines, a powerful 6.9 magnitude earthquake brought the bell tower of the historic church crashing down in seconds. Oh man, that vehicle just barely escaped Mother Nature's grip. On Christmas Island, Australia, millions of red crabs migrate en masse every year, turning ordinary roads into one of nature's most unbelievable spectacles. Oh my God, this is probably the moment most of us dream of witnessing at least once in our lives. A single lightning bolt can reach temperatures of about 54,000 degrees Fahrenheit, nearly 5 times hotter than the surface of the sun. enough to cause serious infrastructure damage in an instant. Hail forms when powerful updrafts push water into the frigid upper atmosphere, where temperatures can drop below 5 degrees Fahrenheit, freezing them before they plummet back down. What do you think? Would car insurance cover this kind of damage?
Oh my God.
In Kinnaur, India, heavy rain turned the mountainside into a raging mud flow, showing how nature can reshape the terrain in no time. In Natonin, Philippines, Tropical Storm Trami caused flooding and landslides affecting more than 2 million people across multiple regions. Insurance companies definitely did not want to see this. Luckily, no one was injured here. Beneath the Earth's surface, molten magma can reach temperatures of 1,300 to 2,400 degrees Fahrenheit, silently building up along with gases and enormous pressure. When the crust can no longer hold, the volcano erupts, unleashing lava, ash, and hot gases at speeds that can exceed 430 miles per hour. A major eruption can blast ash tens of miles into the atmosphere, enough to alter global weather patterns. It looks like nature's fury, but it's actually the way our planet releases energy from deep within. Glacial lake outburst floods can release millions of cubic feet of water in a short time, generating flows powerful enough to destroy even heavy-duty infrastructure. Every year, lightning strikes the ground tens of millions of times worldwide, and a single bolt can carry a voltage of up to about 300 million volts.
Number 588.
Okay, get in. Come here this way. Get in. It just hit that tree.
It looks like someone is dumping thousands of rocks from the sky, but this is hail, one of the most violent products of severe thunderstorms. Let's work together to protect Mother Nature, and we'll all enjoy a more peaceful life.